The heck? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Raindrops by CreatorRT. So yeah, let's go. No. How did I just die? I'm playing like a bot right now. Okay, I'm playing like a huge bot right now. I gotta stop. Yo, why can't I get over this bike? I suck so much. Okay. I practiced this level and I already forgot it, so I don't know if I'm gonna pass it. Honestly. Oh, there's a coin. Oh, I got it. Oh, that was death. Okay, I really gotta beat this level now. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna fly. It sucks so bad. Why can't I beat this level? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Why can't I beat this level? Oh, I just got another coin. What the heck? Oh my god. I almost died. I don't know how I got that coin in the wave part. Wait, this is the end of the level. Yay, I beat it. Let's go. I forgot the last coin. No once. I suck so bad. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna get that off camera. But hope you guys like, subscribe, comment. Hey!